Today, I'll walk you through how to multiply a column with another column or numbers in Power BI, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create a new measure that calculates revenue, so you can enhance your data analysis and reporting. Let's get started. First, open Power BI Desktop. This is your canvas for data visualization, much like an artist's studio is for painting. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, we all have our unique setups. Once Power BI is open, locate the data name of your table in the fields pane. Right-click on that table name. This action is similar to opening a drawer to access tools you need for a project. Next, click on New Measure. This option allows you to create a custom calculation. Think of it as crafting a special recipe that combines ingredients to create something delicious, like your revenue calculation. Now you'll see the DAX formula box appear. Here, type in the title of the column you want to use. This is the first step in defining what data you want to manipulate. After that, type SumX followed by the data title and the two columns you want to multiply. This function is crucial because it iterates over a table and evaluates an expression for each row. In our case, it will help you calculate the total revenue by multiplying the relevant columns. Once you've entered your formula, hit Enter. This is like pressing the Start button on a machine. It activates your new measure. Finally, add this new measure to your table. This step is essential as it allows you to visualize the product of each row in your report. Imagine it as displaying the finished product on a shelf for everyone to see. And there you have it. You've successfully multiplied a column with another column or numbers in Power BI. This skill will not only streamline your reporting, but also provide deeper insights into your data. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.